Hey, what is going on, guys? It is Top Gaming Tech Place here. Welcome back to another PS4 video. So in this one we are going to jailbreak our PS4 with the lapse exploit and the latest gold hen. By the way, please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. Please, if you have any question, feel free to comment down below. Maybe it will help someone else solve his puzzles as well. So currently with the lapse exploit, there is no host, but you can still install the Al-Azif's guest loader, which can help you load all the necessary payloads such as system update blocker and all the other necessary payloads out there. Okay, so it is very important to install the payload guest if you are running the lapse exploit. By the way, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed.